Welcome. In this video, I'll quickly show how you can turn off flashlight on Android. So, usually the most generic and straightforward way to disable an active flashlight is to open your control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar, and here on the very first page you should more often than not find the flashlight toggle or the shortcut for flashlight, so simply switch it off from here. On certain devices, you will also have a flashlight icon on your lock screen, either to your left or to your right, so you can also switch it off from here. Some devices also offer an additional ways of toggling the flashlight both on and off through gestures or knock motions. So let me quickly use my settings search to check if my Google Pixel 8 offers any kind of such options. So flashlight setting services, flashlight, yep. Yeah, not as far as I can see, but it is worth checking out on your device. And some smartphones allow you to make the following motion to switch on or off the flashlight. Some phones will allow you to knock on its back to manage the torch, and so on. So depending on what particular device you own, the mileage may differ here. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.